Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Tanvi Margade and today I am going to show you the recipe of fish chili. So let's start. The ingredients of my recipe are 500 grams of boneless fish which is chopped into pieces, some onion which is chopped into medium sized pieces, capsicum which is chopped into medium sized pieces, black pepper powder, maida, corn flour, salt, dark soy sauce, some red chili powder, some spring onion, which is finely chopped, some lemon, ginger garlic paste, chili which is split into two, two eggs which are beaten, finely chopped garlic and ginger, green chili sauce, vinegar and tomato sauce. So let's start. So now take 500 grams of fishes and chop them into cubes. Now I'm going to add salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon as per taste, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and lemon juice of half a lemon. We'll just mix them and let it marinate for 15 minutes. So fish is marinated, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of maida. Then black pepper powder 1 tablespoon as per taste. And 2 eggs which are beaten. We'll just mix them and let the fish cubes coat nicely. Now the corn flour and maida has coated the fishes nicely. Now we are going to deep fry them. So first take a pan and heat some oil and now add the fish pieces. Let them fry until golden brown. Now my fish pieces are cooked and they are golden brown. I am going to remove them from the oil. Similarly, I have to fry the next batch. Now the fish has become golden brown and I have removed it from the pan. Now I am going to make the sauce. So first take a pan and heat some oil. Now I have finely chopped garlic and finely chopped ginger. Then add finely chopped spring onions. Let's mix them and let it cook for 1 minute. Now with spring onion, garlic and ginger as cooked, I am going to add chopped chilies. Then I am going to add roughly chopped capsicum. Then roughly chopped onions. Let's mix them and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now my onion and capsicum is cooked. I am going to add different types of sauces. So first I am going to add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. If you like soy sauce, use 4 tablespoons. Now I am going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. We will mix them and let the sauces cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. We'll mix them and let the vinegar cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the vinegar is cooked, I am going to add water. Now the sauce is thin, I am going to make a corn flour slurry. So first take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and now add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them and make a paste without lumps. Now I am going to add the corn flour slurry little in the sauce so that the consistency is maintained. Now everything is cooked. Now I'm going to add the fish fry in it. We mix it properly and let the sauce coat the fish fry. Now my sauce has coated the fish fry. Now I'm going to remove this into a plate. Now I transfer the fish chili into this plate and now I'm going to garnish it with some chili and spring onions. So this is my delicious and tasty fish chili recipe. Please try recipe at home. Thank you for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.